Hello everyone. Are you considering switching smartphone, like from Oppo to Samsung, but worried about the hassle of transferring data? Don't worry. Today I'm going to introduce you to a convenient tool, MobiKin Transfer for mobile, which helps you easily transfer data between them. First, open your browser and go to the official website of MobiKin. On the homepage of MobiKin's website, find and click on the MobiKin Transfer for mobile page. On this page, you'll find detailed information and features about MobiKin Transfer for mobile. Locate and click the Download button to start downloading the software. Once the download is complete, double-click the installation file to start installing MobiKin Transfer for mobile software. Follow the prompts of the installation wizard to complete the installation process step by step. Once installation is finished, click the Finish button to exit the installation wizard. Now, double-click the MobiKin Transfer for mobile icon on your desktop to open the software. Next, connect your Oppo phone and Samsung phone to your computer. Once the devices are successfully connected, you'll see them displayed on the software interface. Now, simply select the types of data you want to transfer, such as contacts, messages, photos, music, and more. Click the Start Copy button, and MobiKin Transfer for mobile will automatically start transferring the selected data from your Oppo phone to your Samsung phone. It's that simple. You've completed the data transfer. Now, you can disconnect your phones and start enjoying the new features of your Samsung phone.